In this video, we're going to look at the application of window functions in PySpark. As usual, my Docker containers are running and I opened a Jupyter Lab notebook. First, I'm importing all the modules and libraries. You could see that I imported some window functions and the window class. Next, I'm creating the SparkSession object. I'm calling the app name apply window functions. I'm defining the master and configuration and set the log level as error. Next, I'm reading the data. It is a Netflix titles data with the CSV format. I'm giving some options as header is true, null value is null, date format, and so on. Let's look at the schema. These are all the columns in the data frame. Before using any window function, we need to first define a window specification. Let's call it window spec is window dot. I want to partition by the country column and order by data added column. So this is my window specification. Once I define the window spec, I can use my window functions. So first I want to use a row number window function. Let's call it result. I'll take the data frame with column. I'll call the column as row number and apply row number window function over window spec. This is my window function. Now once I do that, I want to select the columns title, country, date added, and row number columns. So we could see for each row the row number is defined and it is partitioned by the country, but we could see some null values in the country column. I did not remove the null values. This is just for demonstration, but in actuality we should remove these null values and then apply the window function. Next I will use the lead and lag window functions. So I'm calling the data frame as df dot with column. I want to call the column as lead date added and apply the lead function over the date added column. The offset is 1, only the previous row is selected, and this is over the window spec. Now I want to chain this with another lag date added. I'll apply the lag function over window spec. Now before looking at the data, I'll define the new column order: title, country, date added, lead date added, and lag date added. This is my new column order. Now df dot select, I want to give this argument new call order. Okay, now we could see each country, for each partition, we got the date added, lead date added, and lag date added. So this is how we could apply the window functions in PySpark. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.